So if you're still trying to get followers for your Facebook page, like you created a Facebook page and you've not been able to meet up with the requirements, especially followers, I'm going to be sharing with you what you will practically do and see your page grow massively. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. Thank you so much for clicking to watch. So yeah, you're trying to build your Facebook page because you're trying to meet up with the requirement for monetization. So there's still a lot of persons who have been struggling to meet up with requirement for Facebook monetization, and one of the requirements is actually building followers. So I'm talking about a Facebook page right now, not Facebook profile. So because I still see people ask me the difference between a Facebook page and a Facebook profile. So your profile used to be the the main Facebook account you opened that had a limit of 5,000 friends before, but if you switch to a professional mode, you can turn your friends to followers. So that's a Facebook profile. Now sometimes I still get questions like, is it preferable to still continue running your Facebook profile? Of course you can run your Facebook profile, but I always suggest to people to try and create a Facebook page, because there are a lot of things you can do on a Facebook page that you might not be able to do on your Facebook profile. So yes, if you're watching me right here and you're still using just a Facebook profile, you will need to open a Facebook page, like create a Facebook page, and I've done a video showing you how to go about that. If you click on my Facebook playlist, you see videos that are going to help you around your content creating journey on Facebook. Now to the video of today, which is how to build massive following. So now you've created this Facebook page, or you already have a Facebook page, right? And you're struggling with getting followers for this Facebook page. So I'm going to be sharing with you 3 things you need to do. Well, I'm going to add a little extra maybe at the end of the video, so please watch it to the very end. So my number 1 will be to invite friends. So now when you open your Facebook page, like you create a Facebook page, Facebook is going to suggest a lot of your friends. Now remember, you had a Facebook, if it is from your profile, you can create a Facebook page. Like you need to have a profile to be able to create a Facebook page, and you can create as many Facebook pages as you want to for your business, for your maybe company, for different things you want to do. You want to have a content creating page where you do content. You want to have a different page for your business. You want to have a different page for your company. And even if you have XYZ businesses, you can create multiple pages for this. So you actually do this from your Facebook profile. Now, when you have a Facebook profile, once you create a Facebook page, Facebook is going to give you suggestions. Like they are trying to also help you grow. They want you to start having following, right? So you're going to see the list of your friends, like your friends from your profile. Well, Facebook is going to tell you, want to suggest, oh, you just created a Facebook page, so we're going to send a request, like a follow request to all your profile friends, like those in your friends, those that were your friends. Facebook will they're going to send requests to them to follow you. So imagine if you already have 5,000 friends, like from your Facebook profile, and Facebook sends request to all these people, because you can just select all, and Facebook will instantly send requests to all of these persons to follow you. I'm sure you have good friends, like you don't have spy people who don't love you, who just monitor you. If these people are genuinely your friends, you can actually send all these things out to them and they get to follow you. So just imagine having 5,000 people follow you at once. That has already helped you to build the following you want without even having to cajole anybody. Not like there's anything bad in trying to maybe tell people to follow you. You can send it to groups where you are. You can send them to WhatsApp group. You can actually even create groups on Facebook where you have a lot of people following you, and there you can tell them to follow your page, your business, or whatever thing you are venturing into on Facebook. One good thing about this particular thing I just mentioned right now is that Facebook even goes ahead to remind people that, oh, this person sent you a request to follow them and you are yet to follow them. Like I do see people send me this, and I see people Facebook, you're reminding me that you have not followed this person. So if you're that kind of person, Facebook is sending you maybe a reminder that you've not followed somebody. Please go ahead and follow that person, because you're helping them build the number of following they would have. Also, tomorrow you never can tell, you want to create a Facebook page and you're going to be using this particular thing that I mentioned to you. So go and follow someone so that they will also follow you back. My number 2 will be create viral educative content. Now, if you don't know how to go about creating viral content, you can actually, drop a comment in the comment section, tell you, okay, I would like you to teach about this, and I'll actually go ahead to do that. So create viral educative content. That way you are going to get a lot of following, especially in reels. Create this content and post them as reels. Don't post them as long videos, because sometimes the lifespan, like the concentration span for a lot of persons can be very, very short, especially when they don't even know you. So your video just pops up and they don't know you from jack. There's every tendency that they might want to just swipe and pass. But if it's very educative, engaging, and catchy, somebody might now want to stay on your page to actually watch this video, and from there they can follow you. How will they follow you? You have to actually mention, okay, you can like, if you want more content like this, please like, follow, also comment what kind of content you would like me to do. Like, this is a way of making people come back to your content. So always create content that people actually want to see. I see a lot of people sometimes send me messages like, I am not growing, my views, my so and so is not, this thing is not working for me. The truth is that you are creating content around what people are not looking for, and once you start doing that, not like you're not going to get there, it's going to take you longer to get there. Like, let me give you an example of how I was able to easily monetize this channel. Now, Facebook monetization was the thing. The Facebook monetization came into Nigeria. A lot of persons wanted to know how to go about it. I had to niche on that, taught on it for a while, and I was able to get the views that got me monetized. So you're going into YouTube and you're talking something entirely different from what people need. Like, it's going to take you a lot of times, because I'm coming to YouTube or I'm coming to Facebook, I'm just scrolling past, I just want to see what's happening. Your video pops up and it's nothing of interest to me. Of course, there are people who will like your kind of content if you consistently post, because after a while, Facebook is actually going to push your video to the kind of people that love to watch you. But still, sometimes it takes time. So that's why we always share that post viral videos, reels more importantly, because reels have wilder reach. They go far than when you post normal videos. Then from reels you can build the followers you need, and sometimes it also helps with your watch time. The only thing is that you might not earn a lot of money from reels, but at least for someone who is just starting, you're trying to grow, this is one thing you need to do to help yourself. So like I said, always tell people to like, comment, and share your content. You can tell them, share my content to your status, share my content to your story. That way you're getting a wider audience. Imagine posting a content on your WhatsApp status, and people will actually always watch your WhatsApp status. Like, your content is actually going more viral than you think. So this is one way to help you build a number of followers actually need to get monetized on Facebook. So my number 3 will be run ads. Especially if you have a business page, you need to constantly run ads. Ads easily help with building followers. I know if you're trying to get monetized, the ads might not, or if you're a monetized page, the views you get from your ads do not add up. Like, they don't add this to your maybe money. It's not going to add to your money. But for somebody who is just trying to grow, you're trying to build following, engagement on your page, running ads will actually help you. And how does that help you? It helps you with followers, because depending on how you set your ads, the place you want your ad to get to, and all what have you, once this ad starts running, one thing with ads is that it brings followers to you. But of course, if you want to run an ad, it has to also be very, very engaging. Like, you pop up on my screen, I want to see, oh, you're saying something very educative, something I must be interested in, and of course, make it short, don't make it too long, so that people don't get bored. Like, I scroll through Facebook a lot and I see different ads showing. Like, sometimes these ads are there for over a week, 2 weeks, depending on what you want, the number of people you want your ad to reach, and all what have you. But yes, this might sound like, oh, I'm spending money. Of course, you need to spend money to get money. So we shouldn't rule out this entirely, especially because of what you're trying to do. You're trying to get following, so the best is to run ads. And if you're going to be running ads, ensure you are posting a very catchy video, your title, your description, everything needs to stand out. So I said I was gonna add a bonus at the end of the video, so I'm gonna be doing that right now, and that is to always have pinned post on your page. Yes, so you need to have pinned reels, pinned, maybe a pin, so that anyone who actually clicks your channel or your page will actually see a video of you, or something like something probably introducing them to your channel, or something that is, you know, viral. Maybe you have a viral post, one of your maybe videos went viral. It's actually good to post that on your channel or on your page, channel page. You know, on YouTube we use channel, on Facebook we use page. So yeah, sometimes I just get them twisted, but you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Facebook page. So you need to always put, you know, pin a video or something talking about your business, your company, whatever it is. Always have a pinned post on your Facebook page that will also talk about what you do. So if it's a viral video you did, and you know, you can actually pin it there, because it also helps you with engagement. Yeah, so if it's you go to your reels section on your Facebook page, you pin reels. For reels you can post pin up to 3 reels. Then on your normal page, like on your normal Facebook page where anybody who comes to you scrolls through, you can also pin a post, either a video or a post or whatever thing. Always have something pinned on your page. So these are tips that will work for you anytime, any day. So, and I would like you to actually try these things out, and I always like feedback. Come back to the comment section and tell me how it worked so well for you. So if you're still struggling with a lot around Facebook monetization, content monetization policy, I have a playlist for you. I'll be dropping it in the description box, and also at the end of the video my end screen will be showing you that playlist, so you can actually click, because I realize that sometimes the question people ask me are actually something I've done videos on before. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also let's interact in the comment section.